Hello and welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got some refillable travel perfume atomizers. So I got these from Amazon. There's all different pack sizes. So I'll put some links in the description depending on what pack size you want. For instance, this is a 6-pack. You get 3 packs, 4 packs, 5 packs, depending on how many you want. So I think these are about £6 to get these 6. So I'm just going to show you them. So I got these because I'm going away. Didn't want to take a full bottle of perfume or aftershave with me. Just show you all the different colours you can get. So you can see all these all in this one. Stuck in the wee box. There we go. So I had a look at this one earlier. So as you can see, you kind of got a little screen, see how much perfume's in it. Don't know if you can see, not much left in that one, have to refill it. So at the bottom you've got a little nozzle where you refill the aftershave or perfume from. And you've got a little spray thing. So to do that, get your bottle of fragrance and you want to put the nozzle in there and sort of pump it out like you were spraying it. Try not to spray it everywhere like me. As you can see, going in. And you can take that with you. So if you're going on a date, going out for the day, you want to pop it in your bag, going on holiday, going away for work, you don't want to take a full bottle. This is the answer. So you can have a different one, different fragrance, which is what I'm planning on doing. So, if you like this video, please like, follow, subscribe, and we're also on all the other socials. Thanks very much, guys. See you later.